Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a passing chord that you can use, and it's very interesting, and I know you'll find it very useful and you'll definitely like it. So we're in the key of C sharp. This passing chord is what we're going to use to take us to the 6, right? So let's play an example. Here it is. Alright, so that sounds complicated, but trust me, it's very easy. So this passing chord is basically comprising of the C sharp inversion, the F sharp, the F, and C sharp diminished, the E flat diminished, and back to C sharp. But we converted those chords to drop 2. But I'm not going to go over the basics as to what a drop 2 is. I have just covered that in my previous video, so if you want to know how to play a drop 2, go ahead and check out that video. But let's now just convert those chords to C sharp, F, C sharp diminished, E flat diminished, back to C sharp, which represents the 6, right? So the first one is C sharp. Second one is C sharp inversion, the F sharp, F. Now we're going to go to the diminished chord, the C sharp diminished. Now we're going to go to the E flat diminished and back to the C sharp with the 6 on the bass. Again. Cool. So let's say you want to go to the 2 from here. We can do something interesting. I know I said one passing chord, but I want to give you as much value as possible. We can play another drop 2 to take us to the 2. So at this point in the video, I want to talk to you about my newest drop 2 exercises MIDI pack. This MIDI pack contains 20 drop 2 progressions. You don't have to come up with your own melodies or progressions. I made it so easy for you. With the MIDI files, you can slow it down and learn at your own pace. You can learn it in any key that you want. Bro, it's all yours. Head to the description below and just punch that link and get it, bro. Let's get back to the video. So let's say we're on the 6. I don't want to get to the 2. We could play two. So what was that? It's very simple. It's the F sharp diminished, went to the A diminished, the A flat diminished, back to the F sharp, the A flat, and we're on the E flat minor, the 2. But we played that as a drop 2. So instead of playing the C here, play it down here. I will do that for all the chords. Right? So the 1 for the 6. Want to go to the 2. Six. Two. So guys, hopefully you found that very useful, valuable, entertaining, and you can just practice this over and over until it becomes normal, becomes easy. Add it to your repertoire and leave a comment and let me know what you think, and until next time, keep on learning.